What is whooping cough? Whooping cough is a really contagious infection that affects your lungs. It's like a bad cough that makes it hard to breathe. Signs and symptoms: runny nose, stuffy nose, watery eyes, fever, cough, severe coughing attacks that can make you vomit, turn red or blue in the face, feel very tired, make a whooping sound when you breathe in. When to call a doctor? Call your doctor if you or your child has long coughing spells that cause vomiting or make you turn red or blue, trouble breathing or pauses in breathing, a whooping sound when breathing in. Causes: whooping cough is caused by a type of bacteria that sprays into the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Who gets it? People who haven't been vaccinated or whose immunity has faded. Babies under 1 year old who haven't had all their vaccinations. Complications: bruised or broken ribs, hernias, broken blood vessels. In babies, pneumonia, slowed or stopped breathing, seizures, brain damage. Prevention: the best way to prevent whooping cough is with a vaccine called Tdap. It's given in a series of shots starting at 2 months old and boosted at 11 years old.